What is fucking happening? Good, bad, and ugly. Like me, people of YouTube land. Today is Wednesday. I'll meme my latest troll. Today is Wednesday, 6:41 p.m. Wednesday, April 4th, 6:41 p.m. Bad week. Bad week for me to fucking run my mouth last week planning shit. Kids are off school this week and I forgot. But we're going to do the live stream. Look for the live stream coming up this weekend. It'll either be Friday or Saturday. And I'm thinking that we will do it. And I'm looking at Norway. And, not Norway, but, the Netherlands on my map. Thinking about the time. I keep a map up here. And, I'm looking at the Netherlands and I'm looking around the world here. Thinking about the time. God, if I do it at like 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time here in the States, that's going to be like 1 o'clock in the morning over there in the Netherlands. Dutch pride. Hairy Dutch pride. Anyway, I don't know. Maybe I'll do it. I'm going to shoot for earlier in the day. I'll release a video either the day before or like early in the day of. Like if I do it, if I release a video the day of, it'll be like, I'll make sure to release it like 8, 9 o'clock in the morning Eastern Standard Time. So you'll know that within the next 4 or 5 hours or whatever, I'm going to do the live stream and see if Jed is going to show up or just continue to blow bluesmen. Or maybe he gives hand jobs, but I think he blows bluesmen. But anyway, I just want to check in with you guys, say hello. I was just catching up here with YouTube, been busy since the weekend, watching Owen Givens in his fucking latest video, and the dude is just such a fucking, you just want to take the motherfucker and just fucking pummel his fucking fat head. But anyway, you heard about the girl yesterday. I get an alert. I got a police scanner on my phone, and anytime there's like a bunch of activity in one of the areas in the United States, it alerts me to it. So I see the alert yesterday, and then I find out this chick, she goes and fucking shoots up YouTube headquarters because apparently she's pissed off because she was demonetized or whatever. It had something to do with the latest YouTube regulations and stuff, and she was just pissed off like everybody else. I mean, pissed off about the whole freedom of speech thing, and and I guess she was demonetized and whatnot. So, but that's fucking crazy, man. You're gonna go shoot up YouTube? I mean, come on, dude. I mean, come on, chick. And that chick, she just needed some dong, is what I'm thinking. If she got some good dong, she wouldn't have been shooting up YouTube. She would have had more things to worry about. You got that much time on your hands that you're gonna fucking do some shit like that, man. It's a, you know what? She should have just, people like that end up fucking offing themselves in the end. Dude, if you're gonna feel like that, just off yourself. Don't fucking off a bunch of other fucking people and then off yourself. Just off yourself. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I understand the whole thing about taking a few people with you, but dude, YouTube, that's your biggest fucking enemies, the people at YouTube, because they demonetize you? What the fuck's wrong with you? You know? I'm just looking through Google News here to see if there's anything breaking or anything that I can talk about, and there isn't. So I'm going to say goodbye tomorrow is Thursday, and I am going to be taking a kid, the youngest kid, to a place north of here, and it's got a big mall and shit, and they happen to have a Bass Pro Shop. Man, I'm getting ready to get my boat out of storage, so got a gift certificate to Bass Pro Shops. I'm gonna buy some fish and stuff and whatnot, and the kid is going to be going to a few things there, so it should be a good time. So what I'll do, that being said, what I'll probably do is release a video Friday, and we'll probably do the live stream on Saturday. It's because, I mean, now that I'm thinking about it, I'm probably not going to get home till later tomorrow, so might as well give myself, yeah, that'd be cool. Release a video on Friday announcing it, and then do this live stream on Saturday. That way, even if it is late at night, a lot of people don't have to work Sunday or whatever. So, alright guys, I'm glad to see everybody. Hope you're all doing well. You know I love you, because you love me back. And the thought of the day is, don't go shooting up YouTube or anything else that doesn't deserve to be shot up. Don't take your social media experience so goddamn seriously. Alright? Peace!